welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. So in today's video, I won't tell what it is. You already know because it's in the title and thumbnail. So yes, without wasting time, let's begin. So to begin with, I'm going to take this eye pin, which you can see. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but anyways. So this is what I'm going to take. And with this I'm going to use beads. So firstly I'll be taking this pearl bead, small one, and I'm going to insert it in the eye pin. Along with that I'm going to insert this black bead with the golden design. You can see here, it's nice, so I'm going to use this, and another pearl bead. So let's do that. And now I'm just going to cut the extra part of the eye pin and curve the left out part so that it creates a loop. This plier has become so tight, I don't know why. Anyways, let's curve the eye pin now. So here's the extra part that I cut out. I don't know if you could see that, but anyways, now it's time to loop the eye pin so the bead doesn't come out. So now I'm going to take this jump ring and insert a bead inside this, that is the circular one which you can see here. I've also used the same type of bead in an earring before as well. I'll just link the video in the iCard above, you can check it. And now I've inserted that bead to the earring part and this is almost ready. It looks so amazing. Now the only one part remaining is to use this hook, without which you can't wear the earring. So let's do that now. So finally our earring is ready. Here you go. I have both of them ready now. So now let me wear this and show you all how it's gonna look. I just loved it. I just can't wait to wear it. So this is how it looks and I just loved it. You all let me know how you all liked it in the comment section, and now I'll show you all the picture of it as well.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.